Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of irrigation with the Hunter 1-inch PGV valve, a versatile and robust solution designed for easy installation, access, and maintenance. This heavy-duty valve is built to withstand stress failure, ensuring maximum longevity for your irrigation system. With captive screws, you won't have to worry about losing parts during installation and maintenance, making your life a whole lot easier. Plus, its built-in flow control feature maximizes efficiency, prolonging the life of your system and saving you time and resources. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a DIY enthusiast, the Hunter 1-inch PGV valve is engineered to deliver reliable performance and peace of mind. So, if you're looking to upgrade your irrigation setup, this valve is a game-changer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.